Hey YouTube, I know you've been waiting for this video. This is the video where I'm going to announce the winners for the Geekbuying giveaway contest for November. So you have that drone back there, the X11, plus some really cool Bluetooth speakers and earbuds. So how does this work? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hand the floor over to Computer Steve, who is going to actually pick the winners and go through the contest. But before I do that, I want to give you this Captain Drone announcement. We are in the month of November. I live in Ottawa, Canada. A lot of you know Canada has snow. Well, snow has come early this year. As they say, winter is coming. Well, winter has arrived and it's freaking cold outside. Look at the temperature. It's minus 13 degrees Celsius today. I'm one of the few guys who goes outside every single time for drone reviews. But you know what? Winter's here. It's pretty cold. And a lot of these drones do not work well in the cold weather. So it's kind of a waste of my time to go out in the cold weather, review a drone at minus 13 or minus 20 that is not designed to work below zero. So that means you might see fewer outdoor drone reviews over the winter period and more indoor videos, or even less videos altogether. But stay tuned, I am still here. And that's why you see me today wearing my Captain Drone hoodie. Anyways, let's go over to Computer Steve and pick the winners. Take it away, Steve. Hey everyone, this is Computer Steve, and let me show you the local time here in my area. Right here, it's 9 a.m. in Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, and today is November 13th. You can see it down here. Now let's go check out our website. On the website, we have 3 questions. First question, there is a digital watch at the top of the web page under the word festival. What time does it display? Let's look at the original website first, which is this one. And it displays 2100 hours. And let's look at the website as it is today. And it displays 2100 hours. So that's like 9 p.m., same thing. That is the correct answer for question number 1. Question number 2, how many drones can you see on the web page? Well, basically, you just had to look at the entire web page and count the number of drones. So I can't go back and look at the old web page because I only took a screenshot of the top, silly me. So let's go to the new web page. This is how it works. So let's count the drones together. Up here, you can see right at the top, we have 1 drone. Going down, I don't see any, don't see any. Oh, there's 1, 2, and 3. Going down, look at the FEMI. 4, 5, yes, count it twice because you see 2, so that's 5. And going down, 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 6, 7, 8, 9, right there, and 10. Are we almost done? 11, 12, 13, 14, there's 2 there, and 15. So if you had the answer of 15, that would be correct. And do you know that the original website, the answer was actually 10? And a lot of people got that wrong because they were counting planes and other things, but it doesn't really matter because I'm such a nice guy. And since the web page has changed many times and I have not kept up with it, well, I'm going to accept any answer as long as you don't put something silly down like 1, 2, 3, or 4, because those would be completely wrong. There was either 10 all the way up to 15. We'll see. All right, let's go to the next question. Question number 3, at the top of the web page is a black scooter. To the right are red trees. How many red trees do you see? Well, if you went with the original website, right here, if we count these trees, you'll come to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 trees. If you look at the current web page, there's no trees. So that means, again, things have goofed up, and I will accept the number from 10 all the way down to 0. All right, so let's grab the URL up here, and I will copy that and stick it in the random comment generator right here. And I'm gonna do something different since everything got so messed up. What is coming up down here? I don't care about that. Everything got so messed up. You see this filter duplicate users? Well, a lot of you posted an answer, and because the website kept changing, you reposted your answer. So I'm gonna take that off. I'm not gonna filter anything out. So here we go. I'm not even gonna filter comments based on a specific text. I'm just gonna grab everything. There's gonna be, oh, it's gonna be 1,000, 200, 300, 400, gonna be a lot. How many comments? 14, 15, 16, 17, 1,743 possible answers. So let's go down and pick a winner. Here we go. Winner number 1. Who is it going to be? Alberto Raja. Question 2100. Question 2 is 14 drones, including RC planes, 12 drones without, and there are 10 red trees. So Alberto, you are entered in the contest. Let's pick another winner. Norm 23, 2100 and 8 drones and 10. Well, that's pretty good. Norm 23, you are entered in the contest. Let's pick another winner. Mike Kelly, 2100, 11 drones, 10 trees. I will accept all those. Mike, you are entered in the contest. All right, everyone, back to Steve sitting on a chair for more details on the contest. All right, so we have the 3 winners right here, Alberto, Norm, and Mike. Pretty excited for those guys. Well, here's what you 3 guys have to do to actually get the prize. What you have to do is you have to send me an email right here below, captaindrone@gmail.com. Send me an email and put the subject of the email, November drone giveaway contest, and I will know to look for your email. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna send you a response back, and I'm gonna get you to confirm that you are actually the person whose name I picked. There's an easy way to do that. And then after that, I'm gonna let you give me your choice of what prize you want. Do you want prize 1, 2, or 3? All 3 of you are gonna get to do that. And then if I have all 3 of you wanting the drone, I will just randomly select who gets the drone. If only one person wants the drone because they already have their own drone, but they want the Bluetooth, well, that works easier. So just tell me what prize you want, 1, 2, or 3. I'll detail that in my email back to you. All right, for everybody who entered, thank you very much. Over 1,000 people entered, which is pretty darn decent. And guess what? Geekbuying asked me if I want to do another contest, so you might see another contest coming up around Black Friday, late November, early December. And there'll be more giveaways of, I have no idea because they haven't told me. So until then, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more drone videos. Take care, and we'll catch you soon.